Welcome to the vlog. We went to Journey's appointment and now I need a new feeder. My chicken feeder broke and I need some pine bedding.
Okay, down something there.
Okay, what are you looking at?
Okay, let's pull this one.
Hey guys, so I haven't really vlogged that much today, but I am going to make a tater tot, like Mexican casserole. Papa and Uncle Brian are going to come and eat. So I figured I'd film this for you guys. So you're going to need about a pound of burger. Since we're feeding Papa and Uncle Brian, I went ahead and got, what is this, 2 pounds? 2.20. 2 1/4. So we got that, taco seasoning, cheddar cheese, corn, an onion, some minced garlic, tater tots, enchilada sauce, and black beans.
And tater tots.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all. I'm smelling cheese. Anyway, first you are going to brown your meat, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to brown my meat, chop up my onion, put my onion in with my meat, and then add my garlic. You're also going to need about 1.5 cups of
and it's
pepper.
Good.
You can have green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. But we've got one of each. So since we pretty much are doubling the recipe, I think I'll put both of them in. I'm going to wash this.
Oh! So I definitely gotta try 2 green ones. Okay, try 2.
What one tastes better, the green or the red?
I have not tasted red. I'm sure it's gonna be spicy and hot.
Red one?
No, do you feel like that taste of it? very soft. Come here. What? Good job. Ball-headed. I don't want you either. Who you want? Get that. Get that. Come on. David. Hey. Hey. Gabe. Come here. Come here. Come here. Gabe. Hey. Gabe. He's the one that you're holding. This is Raven. You're not.
Oh.
These are my favorite clothes. I don't want them wet.
Oh, you're the one that got it wet.
Okay, I'm not.
Oh, you might as well go in. You're already wet.
Look at this. This is weird feeling when I get out to wash things too. Oh, look at that. Look at my skin.
Are you wearing undies?
No.
Your turn.
Their turn.
Your turn.
We're trying to get down over there.
Hey, delivery service. You want a roast one? So I have like 4 shirts I have to make before Danny gets here. But I've done nothing but clean, cook, and now I'm enjoying a little fire with some Samoa. You want some Samoa?
I'm going to cook one.
Are you?
Extras here.
Oh, yes. Ooh, don't stab me.
Close.
Is it delish? Go. Hi guys. There we go. So I'm getting ready to do a little bit of work. It is 8:53. So I want to work for at least I want to work for at least another hour to 2 hours. I'll probably stop around 11 and then, but I don't think I can get all 4 shirts done, but you know, try. And then when my order comes in tomorrow from Angela, I'll have to finish up I think 3 more shirts. So, and then the other shirts that I have to do will have to wait because one of them I have to order a shirt, and I told them I'd order it Monday. So anyway, I'll pretty much have a you know, if I do have to work while Danny's here, it'll only be like on 1 or 2 orders, if that, depending on, because it's been so slow. Today I've gotten 0 orders. And I'm trying not to get discouraged. It's one of those things. Anyway, so I don't know where it cut off, but what I was saying is that I woke up and was feeling quite discouraged, and I felt that way most of the day just because, you know, it's slow, and then you start to question everything, and you go down a rabbit hole that you don't need to go down. And so thankfully I was able to kind of pull myself back out, because I'm like, you know, I'm okay, you know what I mean? I'm okay. Maybe I'm not supposed to have a lot of orders right now, because Danny's coming, you know, that's something to be thankful for and to look forward to, and the baby shower, and of course gonna have my grandbaby, and you know, all this stuff, you know. And I sat outside and had some s'mores this evening, and I'm like, you know, if I had a lot of orders, I wouldn't be able to do this right now. So, although it is very discouraging, and I understand, you know, you feel like, you know, I got all this stuff, why aren't people ordering? I have all this fabric, but it'll give me an opportunity, you know, spend some time with Danny, create some new stuff. That's not one thing I want to do. Oh, I wanted to share with you guys. Somebody had asked about the ring. So the ring I was wearing was the ring that I purchased, not this past Christmas, the Christmas before. It was after Christmas, like an after Christmas sale. I purchased that ring, and it was like a $50 ring, and it was supposedly one of those 90% off and supposed to be real. It's real, alright. It's, you know, it's the stuff is coming off it. Anyway, I don't even know where it's at right now, but I had lost it for the longest time, and it was up underneath the Bravo. So when we moved the Bravo, there it was. So I just stuck it on my hand, and I kind of wore it, you know, I was wearing it for a while. But this one right here is, it's actually 3 rings, and Sterling, somebody gave it to Sterling at Zumba. She's like, she got it, it came with something, I don't know, but gave it to her, because it wouldn't fit this other lady's finger. And so Sterling said it was too big on her finger, so it's just been in my purse. So then I was like, shoot, I'll wear it because it's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can. So it's 3 rings. So there's that one. It looks like something you would get off from, like, yeah, I can't even think of it now. Why can I not even think of it? The place where I got my swimming suits. Yeah, my brain is right. Anyway, it looks like, you know, but it's so pretty. It's got the whole rainbow of like little colored diamonds or gems or whatever. It even has black. At first I thought there was one missing, but I know now it's a black one because the light shines on it. But sheen, that's what I was trying to think of. So it looks like something, you know, you would get off one of those. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah. So it's the black ones are there, but it's all different colors. It's like the rainbow, and anyone that knows me knows I love rainbows. It's God's promise, right? So anyway, I just put that over where my wedding band. I still wear my wedding band because, you know, my wedding band. And we haven't, like, we look periodically for a ring, but I think it's like one of those things where it's like, when it finds us or we find it, when we will know when we find the one. I don't know. He has like ideas, I have ideas. I guess it boils down to what I want to wear, you know what I mean? But I kind of want, like, I want the marquee cut. So we found some that were not the marquee cut, but I really kind of want them. And we almost bought one back when, right before my sister came in November. We found one, I tried it on, I liked it, but it wasn't a marquee cut, but I liked it. And then he was like, do you want that one? Do you like it? And I was like, yeah. And then we went back and we were gonna go get it, and then I was like, no, actually, I said, like, because I think it would be one of those things where I'd be like, man, I wish I would have waited and got a marquee cut. So anyway, let me get working. That's it for the vlog. I got 3 done, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.